Hey guys, it's Chantal. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're having a salad from The Habit, just a side salad with carrots and cucumbers. And then I added my own vegan cheese, vegan ranch, salt and pepper, a little bit of lime, and then a side of avocado. And we have some tortilla chips. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. I'm hungry. And Dr. Pepper. Cheers. All right, let's get a thumb down. We can start eating. All right, first bite. How you guys doing tonight? What are you guys eating? What's this? Oh, carrot. Or actually looks like tomato. Anywho. Oh, and I added cashews too. I forgot. I was trying to pick up my salad with the tortilla chips like I see everyone else, like people do, but I can't do it. Like everyone I see do it from Chick-fil-A, no, Chipotle, but that's more of a, these are like different kind of, because that's like, doesn't have all that lettuce. Beans and rice and stuff, it's easier to pick up than lettuce. I guess I forgot about that part. Ooh, put too much lime again. Mix it up. Oh no. Oh no. Collapsing over here. And I'm lopsided. Is that better? Right now the news is talking about Scott Peterson. And they're talking like about the Innocence Project, but I'm like, wasn't there a lot of evidence? Like, what wasn't he like escaping with money and like dyed his hair so he could look different? And then even the girlfriend he was dating at the time was wired. So I'm so confused. They think he didn't do it now? What? I remember that case. It was so sad. I thought they had enough evidence and it was a sealed thing. I didn't know that there was ever any doubt that he didn't do it. But that girlfriend was like, I don't want nothing to do with this. I'll wear wire. Or I think they record the phone calls too. Because I remember she had a kid. And then like, not sure how long after, she got pregnant. And she was like, he is not the father. She was like, let that be known. Kind of like, I'm not judging, but kind of like Aaron Hernandez's girlfriend. Like, she got pregnant really, like, to me, rather quickly after he passed. Everyone grieves in their own way, you know, so. I know there's another YouTuber. Her husband passed and she dated shortly after him. I think it was like within 6 months, I think, or 4 months. I think she was married within a year, something like that. I think she got married like a year later, something like that. But like I said, everyone, it's their own preference, own choices. You have some people who wait many years before they even want to date. Some people, depending on the age, never want to remarry. Personal preference. I think Patrick Swayze's wife, I think she got married 4 years after his death. I'm not sure how long she met the guy and was engaged to him, but I think it's very respectable. I'm sure Patrick would want her to move on with her life, you know? Good. Yum. All right, you guys. All right, crumbs all over me. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.